Hey there, Steve from Phottix. I wanted to give you a brief overview on the new Phottix Padat Carbon 2-meter light stand. Like the original Phottix Padat, the Padat Carbon folds flat. So it lays flat, makes it easy to pack either in a bag, in your luggage, in a Pelican case, any number of places that you want to save space. Padat Carbon sets up just like the Phottix Padat. 3 legs that fold down. Voila. The one unique feature about the Padat Carbon is this, the adjustable leg. This allows you to adjust the elevation of one leg to use it on stairs or uneven surfaces. I don't have any stairs or uneven surfaces here. We'll make do with what we have, which are parts of an indoor battery. So you can see, the third leg can be adjusted to keep the light stand level on uneven surfaces.
And that's not all.
But the one super unique thing about the Phottix Padat Carbon is the carbon fiber center post. Check this out.
The center post, the carbon fiber center post, is completely removable.
Well, what can you do with this? You can extend this and use it as a boom for a microphone.
And that's not all.
Or add a Phottix Veros and hot shoe flash, this being a Phottix Juno, onto the top, and instantly you have a flash on a stick. For spotlighting, easy to use for assistance, very lightweight.
And that's not all.
Don't need a flash on a stick? The Padat Carbon will do something else. Monopod. Ball head not included. All in all, amazing light stand, many different uses. Use it as a light stand, use it as a boom, use it as a monopod. Carbon fiber, super lightweight. We're taking pre-orders now. Your Phottix rep will be in touch. These are expected to ship in mid-June. The product is under embargo until July.